Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Despite the efforts of the inhabitants of northeast Haiti to develop agriculture in the area, food shortages are an entrenched problem in the part of that country. Dozens of seemingly fertile lands have remained uncultivated due to the lack of water, and as a result, lack of work, hunger and misery are spreading in this area. Being right at the heart of this region for some 20 years, the sons of Don Bosco feel solidarity with the poor families and want to support them. Thanks to the donation received from the Salesian missions in New Rochelle of the province of the United States, East and Canada SUE, the Salesians at DB Tech in Fort Liberté have been able to organize the canteen for their students and distribute boxes of food to several hundred families. The Salesian San Jose Institute in Rosario, belonging to the Salesian province of Argentina North, ARN, celebrated its 17th Biennial Expo with great enthusiasm. The educational event offered the community the opportunity to share the daily activities carried out by more than 2,000 students through their workshops and laboratories. The Expo Biennial brought together more than 10,000 visitors who explored the various stands throughout the 2 days, where students and teachers of all grades proudly presented their projects. For the visitors, this experience was exciting. They discovered the talent and creativity of the young students. From technological innovations to artistic and cultural expressions, the exhibition offered a wide variety of works, including electronic systems focused on automation and control, applications of industrial electromechanical systems, cart construction and commissioning, implementations of systems based on renewable energy sources, web and hardware platform-oriented software projects, and technology projects. Thanks to the large participation of the public, sponsors and civil authorities, the San Jose Institute has consolidated its prominent position in the city. 12 Aqua students from the Salesian Polytechnic University's Faculty of Bilingual Intercultural Education graduated on 19th December. This is the 5th course of professionals from the Salesian Polytechnic University's Support Center working in the Wasa Kensa community. The graduation ceremony took place at the UPS El Giron campus in Quito. Father Agustin Togo, rector of the Wasa Kenta community, accompanied the new professionals and motivated them to put the knowledge they have learned into practice for the benefit of their communities, especially for the education of children and young people. I promised that I would give myself to my very last breath for my poor boys. St. John Bosco, GC1. The Salesian Confreres of the Merry Help of Christians Tampa community take great inspiration from this quote as they strive to answer the question from the 28th General Chapter. What kind of Salesians for the youth of today? The priests and brothers who currently reside at the Merry Help of Christians Tampa, including the retired Confreres at the St. Philip residence, are its director Father Franco Pinto SDB, Pastor Father Steve Dumias SDB, Father Tom Migaki SDB, Father Tom Guatz SDB, Father Dennis Hartigan SDB, Father Joseph Hannon SDB, Father J. Horan SDB, Father Bill Keen SDB, Father Bruce Craig SDB, Father Richard Krieger SDB, Father Rual Acosta SDB, Father Luis Aineto SDB, Father Francis de Sales La SDB, Father Eduardo Sincha SDB, Father Craig Spence SDB, Brother Dave Ivaccini SDB, Brother Mike Brickman SDB, and Brother George Marquis SDB. The courtyards, classroom and theatres of the Salesians in Spain are dressing up to celebrate Christmas 2023, highlighting adults and children with living nativity scenes, parties, singing competitions and visits from the Three Kings. From children in kindergarten and primary school who sang and danced to the rhythm of Christmas music to the older ones who participated in parish choirs or collaborated in the setting up of living nativity scenes, everyone was able to enjoy Salesian Christmas for the upteenth time. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.